Our #1 priority at Lug-All is to provide superior and reliable hoists with quality services you can depend on. In 1949, we designed the first fully functional interlocking double pawl mechanism, built with aluminum castings. In fact, the Lug-All winch hoist was the first product of its kind to function both as a winch and a hoist. Over the years, Lug-All's product line of cable and web strap hoists has evolved to meet the needs of many industries and applications, from electrical linemen, construction and commercial industries, to landscaping, off-roading, and a variety of residential applications. But one thing will never change: our dedication to manufacturing the highest quality hoists available in the industry. We believe in durability and longevity, manufacturing industrial-grade hoists that last for decades. Our careful construction of exacting design, stringent material specifications, and flawless machining results in the most durable hoists in the world. Each hoist is hand-assembled and American-made at our Pennsylvania manufacturing facility, where our CNC milling machines turn out precision hoist parts that are carefully inspected and tested above and beyond industry standards. All Lug-All winch hoists must go through our rigorous quality testing process before leaving our facility. This ensures that every product we ship meets our highest standards. A universal testing machine is used for destructive testing. It boasts accuracy so precise that it can measure 1/10 of a pound for capacity, and each hoist is tested to 125% of its rated capacity. The cyclical testing machine confirms the overall quality of the product and provides CE testing to certify Lug-All products for European markets. Lug-All is also ISO 9001-2008 certified, ensuring that our quality control procedures and customer service are thoroughly monitored and updated on a regular basis. By continuing to manufacture in the United States, Lug-All has the capability to constantly improve the usability of our products. Improvement is the key to our success. That's why feedback is gathered continually. Over the years, Lug-All's product line of cable and web hoists has evolved to meet the needs of multiple industries and applications. But one thing will never change: our dedication to manufacturing the highest quality hoists available in the industry. Decades ago, and still today, our hoists stand the test of time, every time.